I really enjoyed the workshop today. It's always fun, it's really upbeat, and it's just a great way to switch yourself to be more positive. My favourite part of Bella's workshop was learning about the personality types. I think it's really important to learn about how people tick and what they do and why they do it. I have a group of people that work for me, and this is going to be really useful in my business because obviously they're going to tick in slightly different ways to I do, and that's going to be really useful. My favourite mind switch is gratitude. I like to use it anyway, but I'm going to use it even more now. I'm going to try and adapt it from not just doing it on my own. I'm going to text it to a friend who's also having some trouble at the moment, going through quite a lot of problems. So I'm going to ask her if she would like to text back some gratitudes and just list what we're grateful for on a daily basis. So I would recommend people to come to Bella's workshop all the time. People like my colleagues who work for me, also some of my patients who maybe are struggling to be a little bit more positive in their own business and personal life.